What's up, guys? Welcome back again. In my previous video, I showed you how to enable dark mode in VLC Media Player on Windows. But now dark mode has been officially implemented, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable the native dark mode the official way. First, make sure you're using the latest up-to-date version of VLC Media Player. If you're not sure which version you currently have, just download VLC Media Player from the official website. If you download it from videoland.org, you'll get the latest and most stable build. You can download the default 32-bit version, but since we're using a 64-bit system, we'll download the 64-bit version. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and install VLC Media Player on your system. It will only take a couple of seconds to complete the installation. All right, the installation is now complete. Click on Finish. Now open VLC Media Player, go to Tools, and then click on Preferences. Here, you'll see an option called Use a Dark Palette. Simply enable it to turn on dark mode. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.